Hello everybody, how you guys been doing? And you guys are watching Tech It Simple YouTube channel where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can basically fix your iPhone calendar not refreshing. So if you're facing this problem, your iPhone calendar is going to be stuck in a single date. So in my case, let's say if I was facing this problem and my iPhone calendar is going to be stuck on May 18th. And even if it is like May 2030, it's still going to be May 18th. If we're facing this problem, your iPhone is not going to reset every 24 hours. In that case, you're facing this problem. So let me show you guys how you guys can fix it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech It Simple, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, make sure to switch off your iPhone and turn it on. After switching off your iPhone and turning on, it should be fixed. Even if it's still not fixed, what you can do is go in setting and honest setting. What you want to do is go in versus general. And under general tab, there is going to be software update. Click on it. Once you click on it, if a software update is available over here, make sure to click on install now. And it's going to take a bit of time, but after it finishes installing, as guys can see in my case, I have a software update. What I need to do is click on download and install, and the software is download and install. So if you also have this thing, make sure to do that. And even after downloading your software update, or like it didn't have any software update, if it don't have any software update, it means your iPhone is up to date, so you don't have to worry about it. But even after downloading and installing a software update that didn't fix, then what you can do is just follow the step. First step, make sure like you check your internet connection is stable or not, because sometimes due to slow internet connection, it also causes this problem. So if your internet connection is slow, you can turn on your data connection. And a data connection, how we can turn on is just click on the button which is right beside the airplane mode or little antenna looking icon. You can click on it and it will turn on even after switching from internet data and from data to internet. It didn't work. What you can do is just go on settings over here, and on settings scroll a bit down until you see calendars. Once you see calendars, click on calendars. Once you see calendars over here, you want to go on accounts, and in accounts click on iCloud. Once you click on iCloud, if it asks you to sign in into account again, then that's basically the problem. It happens because sometimes because sometimes it will auto logs you out from your account, or like your login period expires, so you need to re-log in into account. So you need to click on iCloud, log in into iCloud account, and then you need to click on Gmail and log in into your Gmail account. Because sometimes just simply doing this is going to fix a problem, right? Even after logging into iCloud and Gmail account didn't fix a problem. Just go and fetch new data. And over here, if your push is turned off, make sure to turn it on. And if your automatically is not tick marked, to make sure the tick mark automatically, and even if automatically is already tick mark, what you can do is go in manual and gone automatically again. What this is going to do is this is going to reset your setting for a time, and it should fix the problem. So hope I was able to fix her iPhone calendar not refreshing problem. If I did, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel. Tech It Simple. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.